بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Engineer Pishtiwan with you to an advanced steel course for my Patreon page and my YouTube channel. For today's lesson, I would like to show you how we can create CNC or how we can model CNC in advanced steel program. Guys, sometimes we need make a CNC and for our models, and after that make drawings. So how we can create this one in advanced steel? We can make any pattern that you want. For example, if we say we want an arc, any type of pattern that you want. After that, let's say an offset by 50 millimeters, which is 5 centimeters. After that, you can draw your pattern. It doesn't there's no difference between any patterns that you have, but it should be the enclosed lines. As you see, I have these 4 lines, 1 2 3 4. What I have to do first of all, I have to make this one line, or let's say one polyline. So just J on keyboard for joining these lines and space. So now, as you see, and now I joined these lines and now became good and suitable for my job. For making patterns, there are some ways. I put some videos on my YouTube channel, so you can make it. First of all, convert photo to DWG. You can bring any photo and change it to a DWG file, and
CNC this
here,
go to
you can
passes.
change it in with Photoshop, and after that with 3D Max or any other programs that you want. As you see here from AutoCAD, you can bring it, and after that you can make your CNC pattern. As you see, just like this.
If we
okay,
want to compare
this is the one.
two.
And if you want to make your Islamic decor, also I have a video about this, or 2 videos about this. As you see here, have it in Kurdish language, but no problem, you can follow the steps. As you see here, we can draw a circle or a rectangle, and after that we can choose the length that we want. This is the first part. As you see here, this is the first part, and this is the second part. You can just make it. As you see here, you can get these
This
patterns.
is one of the my
Anyhow,
patterns.
So let's go back to our lesson. I'm sorry. I made these lines. After that, I want to make a mirror for this one. For let's say from this point to this point, maybe. After that, I can move this one for somewhere that I want. After that, I can make a copy for that. I can arrange it, no problem. I can just copy it, or if I use array is better, because array will divide the distances the same. Okay, so it's not I roughly choose the copy here. Okay, so how can I change this one to line? But there are 2 things, or 2 important points we have to know. The first one, the inside holes, it's just like a CNC machine. It works just like a CNC machine. These lines should be closed. Okay, so we can make holes inside, and whatever, and this should be cut out by this one, by plate. First we have to select this the large plate, and after that we have to deduct these small parts from it. Hope you enjoyed, guys. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me at any time, and you can call me or send me message through WhatsApp message for this number. Let me write down my number for you. My number is because I'm from Iraq, so 00964 is the code 750 sorry 745 7041990. Okay, this is my number. You can send me message through the WhatsApp if you have any question. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Thanks